Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This time I have brought MCQs on the second chapter of Honeydew, the Tsunami Geography lesson. So let's get into the quiz session without further delay. What is the meaning of tremor? Let me tell you meanings of these words so that you can make out what will be the meaning of tremor. Chaos means complete disorder or confusion. Whirlpools are the powerful circular water currents. These are powerful water currents in circular motion. Traumatized means greatly shocked or distressed as a result of disturbing experience. Shaking of earth is observed during earthquake, and this shaking of earth is called tremor. So we have reached the answer of the question, what is the meaning of tremor? It's slight earthquake or shaking of earth. Managed to get a short video on volcanic eruption. How is tsunami caused? Volcanic eruptions, landslide, earthquake, or all of these? While reading through the second part of the chapter about Tilly Smith, you will get to know that volcanic eruptions, landslides, and earthquake, all of these are the causes of tsunami. With no doubt, option 4 will be the correct answer. Which parts of India were affected by tsunami on December 26, 2004? First option Jammu and Kashmir, second Punjab and Gujarat, third Delhi and Mumbai, Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Tamil Nadu coast. Parts of India which were affected by tsunami on 26 December 2004 were Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Tamil Nadu coast. Who was Ignatius? Was he a doctor, manager of a cooperative society in Kachal, a policeman, or a cook? Ignatius was the manager of a cooperative society in Kachal. Next question is based on Kachal. Where is Kachal located? Malaysia, Thailand, located in Nicobar groups of islands, or Tamil Nadu? Have a look on this picture and try to find out where is Kachal located. As you can see, Kachal is located in Nicobar groups of islands. Ignatius lost his wife, 2 children, his father-in-law and his brother-in-law. Is it true or false or not mentioned in the textbook or can't say? When Ignatius and his family felt an earthquake, they got out of the house. He lost many people in tsunami. They were his wife, 2 children, his father-in-law and his brother-in-law. Option 1 is the correct answer. There was chaos and confusion everywhere. In the midst of that, 2 of his children rushed in opposite direction with their mother's father and mother's brother. He never saw them again, which means that he lost them. Moreover, his wife was also swept away in the water waves. Now he was left with only 3 of his children. Choose the correct option. Sanjeev was a manager of a cooperative society, policeman serving in Kachal Island, third, scientist. Scientist reminded me of Stephen Hawking, and the chapter A Visit to Cambridge. MCQ video on this chapter has already been uploaded. You can easily get the link from the description box. Otherwise, you can visit the channel for more MCQ videos. Let's take a U-turn and get back to the question. Sanjeev was neither a scientist nor a manager of a cooperative society. He was a policeman who was serving in Kachal Island. Now can you recollect who was the manager of a cooperative society? Just few minutes ago, I told you that Ignatius was a manager of a cooperative society. Which sentence is correct about Meghna? First option, a 13-year-old girl who spent 2 days floating in the sea holding onto a wooden door. 11 times she saw relief helicopters, but they did not see her. Third, she was brought to the shore by the wave. Fourth, all of these. Let me give you a description about Meghna so that you can make out which sentence is correct about her. Meghna was a 13-year-old girl who was swept away along with her parents and 77 other people. Although she saw relief helicopters 11 times, but they did not see her. She spent 2 days floating in the sea holding onto a wooden door. She was finally brought to the shore by the wave. All the sentences about Meghna is correct. That's why we will go with the option 4, which says that all the sentences are correct. Almaz Javed was a student of Carmel Convent School in Ancori Island or Carmel Convent in Port Blair. Third option, neither of these. Almaz Javed was a student of Carmel Convent, which was located in Port Blair, while she had come to Nancori Island to celebrate Christmas. Look into the picture so that you can have a better understanding. What happened to Alma's father and her grandfather? Both of them went to rescue some people and never came back. Second, Alma's father was hit on his head by something and her grandfather went to help him. Third, Alma's grandfather was hit on his head and her father had gone to help him, but both of them got swept away by the giant wave. According to second option, Alma's father was hit on the head, while the third option says that Alma's grandfather was hit on his head. It was actually Alma's grandfather who was hit on the head, and her father had gone to help him. But unfortunately, both of them got swept away by the wave. Alma's mother and aunts were saved by a group of people. Is it true, false, or not mentioned in the textbook? Alma's mother and her aunts had stood clung to a coconut tree. Sadly, a wave uprooted the tree and they were washed away. Alma's mother and aunts were not saved by any group of people. Answer will be false. Almaz was treated in a hospital in options are Kamota, second Kansai, third Mumbai. You have to tell the location of the hospital in which Almaz was treated, and she was treated in the hospital which was in Kamota. What was common between Meghnad's and Almaz's stories? First option, both of them studied in Carmel Convent School. According to second option, there was nothing common, while the third option says both of them lost their parents. Fourth, both 1 and 3. There was surely something common between Meghnad's and Almaz's stories. Try to recollect the stories of Meghna and Almaz. This will help you to find out what was common between their stories. Meghna was a 13-year-old girl and she was swept away along with her parents. After spending 2 days in the sea, she was brought to the shore by a wave, but in this, she lost her parents. Coming on to Almaz, she was a 10-year-old girl. She was also swept away along with her mother, father, grandfather, and aunts. Somehow she was saved, but she also lost her parents. Now you must have come to know that Meghna and Almaz, both of them lost their parents. Now you can mark option 3 as correct answer. Who was Tilly Smith? 10-year-old schoolgirl. Her parents were Penny and Colin Smith. She was from Southeast England. And the last option is all of these. Yes, Tilly Smith was a 10-year-old girl. Penny and Colin Smith were her parents. They belonged to Southeast England. To celebrate Christmas, they had gone to Thailand. All the given details about Tilly in the options are correct. That's why we will go with option 4, all of these. Besides that, you can see British schoolgirl has been underlined, which indicates that it is important for you to know and remember that Tilly was a British schoolgirl. Which one of these sentences is false about Tilly? Tilly had seen a video of tsunami in her school. Tilly and her family left the beach and went to the hotel. Now the third option. Her mind kept going back to the geography lesson in which she had learned that tsunami is caused due to earthquake, volcanic eruption and landslides. And fourth option says that Tilly was an actress. It is nowhere mentioned in the chapter that Tilly was an actress. This sentence is false, while the sentences on the options 1, 2 and 3 are true about Tilly. What was the relationship between Penny Smith and Tilly Smith? First option, mother-daughter. Second, father-daughter relationship. Third says no relationship. Fourth, none of these. Penny Smith was Tilly's mother. There was a mother-daughter relationship between Penny Smith and Tilly Smith. Could you recollect the name of Tilly Smith's father? Yes, it was Colin Smith. Colin was the father of Tilly. So we can say that father-daughter relationship was between Colin and Tilly Smith. As the question was, what was the relationship between Penny Smith and Tilly Smith? It was mother-daughter relationship. Option 1 is the right answer. Which one of these countries was hit by tsunami other than India on 26 December 2004. Was that America, Thailand, Australia, or all of these? Option 2 will be the correct answer, that is Thailand. Thailand was hit by tsunami other than India, which took place on 26 December 2004. What happened at India's Cuddalore coast? Many humans and animals died. Only animals died. Nobody died. Or thousands of people died while buffaloes, goats, and dogs remained unharmed. Yes, at India's Cuddalore coast, many people died while many animals remained unharmed in tsunami. Where is Yala National Park located? Sri Lanka, India, Thailand, or England? Yala National Park is a habitat of a variety of animals, including elephants, leopards, and 130 species of birds. When the tsunami hit this area, 60 visitors were washed away by the wave. Surprisingly, no animal dead bodies were found except 2 water buffaloes. Now we have come to the end of the video. I hope I was able to clear all your doubts regarding this chapter. See you in the next video.